Maintaining a comfortable state of health is a goal shared by much of the world's population, be it many years ago or be it today. Medicine has played a major role in this aspect. If we ask or if you want to know what is medicine, then the answer would be quite different as it was yesterday and then today. Today, medicine can be seen as an art, as a science, a study, or practice of preserving one's health via drugs or surgery. However, if we look at the history of medicine or where the birthplace of medicine, then it is a thing that we have to go many years back. Come, let us watch a very simple yet informative video on the birth of medicine.
For never-ending interesting knowledge, please do not forget to subscribe to our very own YouTube page and do not forget to click on the bell icon for upcoming updates.
Plants have been used as healing agents since the ancient times. Early medical traditions into those of Babylon, China, Egypt, and India, and the concepts of diagnosis, prognosis, and advanced medical ethics would be introduced by the Greeks. The oldest records on takes on drugs they date back to the half of the second millennium BC. These texts contain a list of medical symptoms and observations. The Atharva Veda, our sacred text on Hinduism, is one of the first Indian texts dealing with the medicine. It contained description of various ailments that later became a part of an algorithm traditional. Chinese medicine is based on the use of herbal medicine, acupuncture, massage, and other forms of therapy. Hippocrates and his followers were the first to describe many diseases and medical conditions such as the clubbing of fingers, lung cancer, and cyanotic heart disease. Hippocrates began to categorize an illness as acute as chronic, endemic, and epidemic. He is considered the father of Western medicine. Some of the technologies developed by him, including taking a complete history of the patient, such as the environmental exposure and the food eaten. The Hippocratic Oath is still taken by the doctors up to today and was written in Greece in the 5th century. Here, Herophilus is played a major role in the basic anatomy and the physiology, intelligence of the brain, and he connected the nervous system to the motion and sensation. Medieval age surgical practices inherited from the ancient masters were improved and organized in the book The Practice of Surgery. Universities were set up in order to provide systematic training to physicians. Medication was revolutionized in the 19th century by advances in chemistry and technology. The germ theory, LED, to cure so many infectious diseases, military doctors came up with better ways to deal with trauma. Medicine changed in the face as well as in the physician's approach when doctors became much more systematic in the analysis of patients' symptoms and diagnosis. Powerful techniques like anesthesia and antiseptic and aseptic operation theaters were developed. Effective cures were developed for the endemic diseases. Louis Pasteur was one of the first founders of the medical biology. He created the first vaccines for rabies and anthrax and is known for inventing a method of treating milk and curd from causing sickness. The process is called pasteurization. Medicine was heavily professionalized in the 20th century. In 1901, the ABO blood group system was discovered. In the mid 20th century was characterized by the new biological treatment known as antibiotics. These advancements, along with the chemical genetics, lab technology such as X-ray imaging, where modern medicine was the first kind where medical imaging and later on ultrasonic imaging, CT scan, MRI, and other imaging methods were developed in the introduction to open heart surgery. Cardiac surgery is revolutionized nowadays. Infectious disease have become less lethal, and most common reasons for the death at the cardiovascular diseases.
Do you want to be a part of the fast-growing hospital sector? ISHM, Kolkata provides a bachelor's degree in hospital management and a master's degree in hospital administration. Both courses come along with an international graduate diploma in healthcare management, making both courses a twinning program. Please subscribe to our YouTube page for more exciting information and also visit us on our Facebook page for more updates. You can also visit our website at www.ishm.co.in.